Hello, can you hear me? Please use chat box. Who is Krish? Pratiksha Bornare, can you hear me? Pratiksha,
Yes, sir.
can you see PPT? PPT
Yes,
दिसते का?
sir.
Okay.
हो.
Now today we see this one. Okay. Uh, that is the standardization of Ayurvedic formulation preparation and the standardization of the Ayurvedic formulation is there that we see in the last time. That is the Asava and Arishta. That these two preparations are there that we have to be seen. But today we are going to revise that one in a short. Asava and Arishta both are the liquid preparation. Why these are known as Asava and Arishta? Because these are the preparations are there. So in case of this one, Asava and Arista, both of the liquid preparations are there that we see in the last time, right? The slight difference between them is there. Both the containing the alcoholic solution is there is to be utilized. But the main difference is that the Arista is prepared by extraction. Asava and Arista. Arista first name, Arista. Sta is related to the extraction reached okay. There is a somewhat stress is there should be required, somewhat much more information is there should be required. So by this way you can remember arista extract, okay. Asava plain simple. So if you remember this one, then you can easily understood this one, Asava and Arista. Okay. Sometimes the difference may ask, what is the difference between Asava and Arista is there? Both are the alcoholic solutions are there. Okay, they are to be prepared by the alcoholic preparations are there by utilization of the alcohol. They are to be prepared. The slight difference is there in case of the Arista. We are going to use extracts. First, we are going to prepare the extract, and that the extracts are there that are to be utilized or that are to be used in the jaggery solution or the sugar solution. Then that pot is there is to be kept for fermentation. Whereas in case of the Asava, the drugs are there as such they are to be added. The first means it is not like that the whole drug is there that is to be added. First the drug is there is to be powder, and then that powder drug is there is to be added into the that one jaggery solution where we are going to place this one for the preparation of the Asava or Arista is there. Okay. Now, how Arista is there should be prepared? Firstly, the herbs or the drugs are there that are coarsely powdered. There's no need to say you that just you had to clean that one drug, remove the soil material, likewise the cleaning is there. That is to be considered or assume you have cleaned that drug and prepared. Okay, so in this case, the drug is there is to be powder, coarsely powder, not a fine powder is there that is to be used. The coarse powder is there to be prepared. In decoction of the drug is there is to be prepared. Means in what you want to add, you are going to add this one. Decoction is there should be prepared from them. That is, what is the decoction, or we can say that the extract in our modern term we call it as the extract. That is known as a kasya or quath is there is known as मराठीमध्ये त्याला क्वाथ म्हणतात किंवा कस्य पण असं म्हटलं जातं. So in English that is known as the extract. The extract is there should be prepared. The decoction is then strained, or we can say that the filter to remove the solid particle. Okay. Say then that are to be transferred into the fermentation vessel. A earthen pot is there, just like in our water pot is there. We have to be used earthen pot is there that should be fumigated by utilizing the sulfur gas is there that should be utilized. Or the fumes are there that are to be utilized, which should be utilized for the sterilization of this one. Sorry for the disturbances. So in this case, we see that the herbs or the drugs are there. That first the powder, then decoction as per the solvent. Then you have to be extract this one particular drug. Either the water solvent is there that should be utilized, or the methanol or the alcohol is there as per the requirement. You have to use this one particular solvent, but mostly the alcohol is there should be utilized for the extraction purpose. Then in this case, just you have to pour this one extract into the fermenter vessel. A earthen pot is there. Then to that one jaggery solution is there is to be added. According to the formula, is there should be prepare separately dissolved. Means in separate vessel, you have to prepare the jaggery solution, boil it and cool it because of the for the sterilization purpose and the dissolution purpose. This is there should be required. Then that decoction, initial decoction is there should be pour and along with the jaggery solution is there, and it is be tightly kept. Lid is there should be placed, and then it should be tied by utilizing the mud cloth. And that is by this one the preparation is there should be prepared, and prapaka dravya are made into the fine powder and is added into the vessel. Prapaka dravya is nothing but the your that one particular fermenters are there, or we can say that yeast are there that is responsible to cause this one fermentation process. Okay. Then her there is added into the mentioned formula. This is about your asava is there. In case of this one asava, there is a no need to prepare the extract, because this is the main difference is there. In this case, the what is the drug is there, or sorry, that is same that of your arista is there. Arista is there is going to be continued. In rather than the another one active ingredients are there that are to be mentioned in the formula, then in arista that are to be added. Okay, then mouth of the vessel is there should be completely covered with the earthen lid. Already there should be placed. Then container is placed in a heap of the paddy to maintain the uniformity in the temperature. The heap of the paddy is there should be utilized at a constant temperature during the fermentation. After the specified period of the time, just you have to remove this one particular lid by unwrapping, screwing this one particular cloth. Then remove this one particular lid. Check whether the fermentation is there should be done or not. The fermentation is done or not, that is should check by utilizing the UV. Just you have to take the sum of quantity of the contain, prepare the various dilution, and just you have to check whether it should be completed or not. If not, then you have to be continue for the next one fermentation process. If yes, then you have to remove this one. The process fermentation has been done or not, that is we check. The content of the fluid is decanted and the stream, that is a filter, and allow it to settle for 2 to 3 days, because of which the solid contents are there that are to be settled. Then it should be again strained, filtered or decanted, and then your asa arista is there is prepared. Now the next one is there, that is a asava is there. In case of the asava, the jaggery or the sugar is there should be dissolved. Okay, separately, boil it, cool it, filter it. Okay, and to this one, the powdered drug is there is added directly. In this case, asava, there is no need to prepare the extract. Simply आसावामध्ये एस आणि सिम्पलचा एस हे लक्षात ठेवा. Okay, simply the drug is there is to be clean, then powder that word drug, and that powder is there is to be added. This is the simple preparation method is there. Again, you have to be place that one everything in a fermentation vessel, close this one, place the lid tight by utilizing the mud cloth, place it in a heap of the paddy because of the uniformity is maintained. Allow it for the several days till the fermentation process is there should be completed. You have to check it. Then same one, filter it. Allow it filter it to stay for 2 to 3 days. Allow the powder to settle again. Then again you have to continue this one particular process, right? So for the standardization, this is the procedure is there which have to be utilized. Okay. These are there are the several parameters are there that we have to be utilized. In this case, depends on the color. You can identify whether the fermentation is there is done or not, whether any cloudy nature is there she found, odor is there is she found or not. Likewise, is there is to be found. Then odor is there, depends on the odor. You found a particular smell, depends on the smell. You can find out whether the your product is there is better, or some of the microbial growth is there is occur. Because if the microbial growth is there, the bad odor is there is be occurs. So in this case, you can find out by utilizing the one of the character, that is the odor. Then taste is the one, then pH is there. These are the parameters are there that you can be easily identify whether your product is there is to be okay or not. Then there are the physical parameters are there, chemical parameters are there, and toxicological parameters are there. Okay. बिलाचं मग okay. So in case of the physical parameter, we are going to first determine the foreign organic matter. You know that foreign organic matter means any of the particle which is not similar to your parent particles. That is nothing but your foreign matters are there. Okay, in the rice, we are going to remove the stones. Stones are nothing but your foreign particle, and your rice is nothing but your parent particle. So in this case, we have to find out this one, okay, determination of the foreign particle. Then ash value is there. The ash value, you know that better the specific amount of the contents are there that is we take, that is we place into the crucible, and that crucible is there is to be heat either on your muffle furnace, in a muffle furnace, or in a Bunsen burner. That heating is there should be carried out. The temperature in the tiered crucible, we can say that whose weight is there is that you have to be noted. That is to be taken into the consideration. Okay. Then extractive value. Actually, the extractive value in case of this one, it is not possible because these are the liquid extracts are there. So it's very difficult to find out the extractive value is there. But you can find out the liquid extraction. Okay, by utilizing the liquid extraction, you can find out the extract contents are there. This is the new method is there. That is the extractive value in case of the liquid. Just you have to take the liquids, immiscible liquids are there in which the dissolved constituents are there that are to be dissolved. Then separate that one and then evaporate that one, and from that you can find out how much amount of that extracts are there in this one particular Asava and Arista is there. Moisture content is also there. Then specific gravity you can be check. Then solid contents are there that you have to evaporate that one, and from this one you can find out this one. Okay. Then physical constants are there, such as your refractive index is there, optical rotation is there. By utilizing the Abbe's refractometer, you can find out this one refractive index. By optical rotation, that is a you can find out this one is there. Okay. Then chemical parameters are there. In case of this one chemical parameter, we can find out you can find out the chemical taste for the alkaloids are there, such as your Dagenhop taste is there, Mayer taste is there, Hager taste is there. Okay. Likewise, the different type of the tastes are there that you have to be find out in case of this one. Uh, then bromine taste is there. Then glycosides are there. For this one, glycoside you can find out killer Killarney taste is there. That is the anthocyanin type of the glycosides are there. Such type of the tests are there. Then steroids are there for the steroids, flavonoids. The very tests are there. Tannins is there. That is a for this tannin. The official taste is there. That is a gold bitter skin taste is there. Then phenolic compounds are there. That is a lead acetate taste is there. Bromine water taste is there. Perichlorate taste is there. Then steroids taste is there. Amino acids, the protein taste is there. Carbohydrate molecules is there. That here we find out this one whether this one chemical components are there that are present or absent. Chemical parameters are there that are to be used only for the determination whether how much quantity of that one whether present or absent, but how much quantity they are to be present, that is we only find out by utilizing uh, the physical parameters are there, right? Then toxicological parameters are there, whether this one are showing their activity or not. That is we identified by utilizing the toxicological parameter. That is your pesticide residue is there, means whether your product is there is safe or not. Because the pesticide contents are there that are present in some of the formulations, or some of the drugs are there while the cultivations of this one particular drug which are to be utilized. The pesticides are there that are to be utilized when you're going to perform the extraction. The pests are there that are to become into your product, and then how much quantity of that paste are there that is become, that is we find out by utilizing this one, that is your pesticide contents are there. Then heavy metals are there. Then microbial contaminations are there, that is to be found out by utilizing this one particular test. Now this is about your Asava Arista, how they are to be prepared and how their tests are there that are to be conducted, right? Now the next one is there, that is a Gutika is there. These are the this is the one marketed product is there, that is the Kesharanjana Gutika is there, okay, which is to be utilized for the hairs. Then Gutika, these are nothing but is your pills are there, smaller pills are there, where the active medicaments or the powder drugs are there that should be added into the sugary solution or the binding agent, and the pills are there just by rotating on in the your palms. The pills are there that are to be prepared. Okay. Gutica contain the medicinal preparation which is combined with the binding agents, like your gums are there, and that is will roll into the pills or rolled into the palms of your hand, and the pills are there that are prepared. Gutica can be stored for a long period of the time, that is and easily swallowed, means for internal purpose. Guticas are there that are to be utilized. Dabajanam guti is the one preparation is there. Okay. Now the method of the preparation of the Gutika is there. In this case, the drug is there. The drug of the plant origin are there that are to be dried, and that is to be converted into the coarse powder. Initially, the cleaning of the drug is there that is to be carried out. Removal of the soil contents are there. Then drying. All these processes are there that is to be considered. Okay. Then you have to be powder drug into the coarse powder, right? And then that is to be prepared. The drug of the plant origin is dried. It is to be converted into the fine powder. Uh, Powder separately. The minerals are there that are made into the basma or sindura. These are the two methods are there by which the some of the drugs are there that is to be converted into the basma, and from this one basma, the pills are there that are prepared. These are put into the khalwa and ground into the soft paste, and addition of the fluid is there is to be carried out. Khalwa is nothing but your mortar and pestle type is there, where the saturation is there is to be carried out, and the addition of the liquid is there is to be done, because of which the preparation is there is to be made. When the mass is there, it should be properly ground. Sugandha Dravya are added. Sugandha Dravya means what? Your flavoring agents are there that should be added into that. It should not stick to the finger when they are to be roll in between the two fingers. When you are going to prepare this one thing, particular pills or roll into the your palms or your into the fingers, that should not stick to your finger. This precaution is there should be take, means the consistency or the stickiness is there that should be checked by utilizing this one particular property. If the binding agents are there that are added more, then you are going to add some of the drugs into that, so that the contents are there that is not to be sticks to your hand, that is to be easily rolled, and the pills are there that are to be prepared. Then the drying is there to be carried out. The pills may be dried into the seed. Okay. When the sugar or the jaggery is there, we use the paka of this one should be uh, made on the mild fire and removed from the oven is there. Means if the jaggery solution is there, it should be used slight warming is there, it should be carried out, not to heat that one, just warming, because of which the stickiness is there, it should be maintained properly. For powder, add these ingredients are there that is added to the paka, and bricks is mixed when the still warm. When they are the mixture there is warm, then you are going to add this one and then mix this one properly. And the mixture should be rolled and dried and in a shade. Shade drying is there is to be carried out by utilizing this one particular methods. Okay. Now the standardization. Each and every one preparation it requires the standardization. Unless and until you have to go for the standardization, you can't say that our products are there that are the standards one. In that case, uniformity of the weight is the concern is there. Then hardness of the pills are there, or the tablets are there. By utilizing the hardness test, the that is we occur. The uniformity of the weight is there. How the uniformity of the weight is there is we carried out just like your tablets. Let the average is there is to be calculated. Just you have to take the 20 tablets randomly. You have to select the 20 tablets. Then take the weight of each tablet. Then okay. Then take the average of that one particular weight. Then depends on the weight of the tablets, you had to put the plus minus reading, that is the plus minus 5%, plus minus 10%, and yes, you have to set what is the average reading is there within that one particular range, plus minus 5% or the 10%. The weight of the each pills must be there, that is to be there, that is your uniformity of the weight is there. Okay, in case of the uniformity of the weight, just you have to take the 20 pills, take the total weight. Okay, total weight of the 20 pills are there that you have to be take. Then take the average weight. Then take the what is the weight of the pills are there depends on that. You have to decide the plus minus range. Okay, plus minus 5% or plus minus 10% is there. Then take the weight of the each pills again and just find out that is in the range or not. Okay, our if the our meeting is there is to be time is over, you have to rejoin our meeting. Okay, um, on the same one, or I send you the second link. You have to join this one, link again. Okay. Then the second one is there, that is a hardness is there. By utilizing the Monsanto hardness tester, you can check the hardness of this one. Okay. Then disintegration time is there. By utilizing the disintegrating test apparatus, you have to check the disintegration time is there, whether 100% or the how much percentage of your pills are there that will be disintegrated, that you have to check. Then water soluble extracts are there. Just you have to dissolve your pills into the water. Allow. After that, just you have to filter this one, and what is the residual contents are there that you have to be find out on the filter papers, on the weight filter paper, or we can say that tear filter paper. Depends on that. You can find out the water insoluble materials are there. Then alcohol soluble extracts are there. By utilizing the same one, you can find out the how much amount of this one the alcohol soluble extracts are there. Then ash value is there, how much amount of the ash is there, that you have to be find out by utilizing this one. Ash value experiment is there that you perform. Then loss on drying is there, that is also performed on this one. Loss on drying means just you have to by utilizing the hot air own method or IR lamp, just you have to find out this one. These are the different parameters are there that we have to be checked. Now the next one is there water soluble extract. For this one, take you have to take the take 5 gram of the dried pills along with 100 ml in a conical flask. Then allow to stand for 18 hours. After 18 hours with occasional shaking, then the mixture is there should be filtered, and then 20 ml of the sample is there is filtered is take in the previously weighed porcelain evaporating dish. This dish is there should place on a water bath and dried in a constantly in a oven. Okay. So that what the solid contents are there that is should be observed, that is nothing but your water soluble extracts are there that you have to be find out. Porcelain or evaporating dish is there. Porcelain and the evaporating dish having the extract is there should be weighed is obtained. The quantity of the dry soluble extract is calculated by the percentage. Now the next one is there, that is the ash value is there. How this ash value is there? Just you have to place your contents into the pour or tear crucible, then heat that one on a Bunsen burner or in a muffled furnace at 350 degrees centigrade or 550 to 700 degrees centigrade, unless and until the complete ash is there is to be observed. Mm, by uniformity of the acid that you observe. Then after that one cool it and wait. Find out the if 2 gram of the drug is there should be taken. X gram of the acid there should be observed. If 100 gram of the drug is taken, how much quantity of the acid there is to be obtained. That is we find out by this one. Then loss on the drying is there a watch watch glass is there it should be weighed to that one. The same one is there that you have to be performed in the practical. There dish is taken 1 gram of the sample is added dried at 100. Here 1100 is mentioned, but it is not like that 1100 but 105 degrees centigrade or maximum 110 degrees centigrade temperature is to be considered. Okay, for 6 hours, and after that it is to be cool, and then unless and until the constant weight is there is to be obtained, you have to continue this one particular process. Okay, now the next one is there, that is the churna is there. Okay, I hope we should stop, we have to again rejoin the meeting, okay, by utilizing the same one.